Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to customize default desktop wallpaper in a custom Windows ISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Setting a custom default wallpaper is a key part of branding a customer-ready Windows image. This ensures that from the very first boot, the system looks professional and tailored to your specific requirements. These steps should be performed while you are in audit mode, after you have installed your software and configured system-wide settings, but before running the final Sysprep. For more context, refer to our previous guide, How to Create a Custom Windows ISO with Apps and Settings, Customer-Ready Image. You can find the link in the description below. Step 1. Disable Windows Spotlight. To ensure your custom wallpaper takes priority and isn't overwritten by Windows features, you must disable Windows Spotlight. Open the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Cloud Content. Locate and enable the setting. Turn off all Windows Spotlight features. Step 2. Prepare and place your wallpaper. For the best results, ensure your image is high quality and in JPG, PNG, or BMP format. Copy your custom wallpaper file. Navigate to See Windows Web Wallpaper. Paste your file here. You can create a subfolder named Custom if you prefer. Important: note the exact path and file name, for example. Right-click the image and select Set as Desktop Background. Step 3. Configure the Unattend.xml file. To make this setting stick during the Windows deployment process, you need to add the wallpaper path to your Unattend.xml. This works regardless of whether you have copy profile set to true or false. Add the following structure to your XML. Step 4. Registry tweaks. Optional. You can use these commands to force the wallpaper at the registry level. Set login and desktop image via registry. Step 5. Locking the wallpaper. Optional. If you want to prevent users from changing the wallpaper you have set, apply this via Group Policy. Open Group Policy Editor. Go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Desktop. Enable the desktop wallpaper setting and provide the local path to your image. Final step, Sysprep. Once all configurations are complete, run Sysprep and point to your Unattend.xml file to generalize the image. You can set copy profile to true or false, depending on your needs. Finally, capture the Windows image as discussed in our previous guide. Reminder: always test your image in a virtual machine before deploying it to customer hardware. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.